I don't want to go to kindergarten. I want Mommy.
Kiki is upset. Let us help him. First, wipe off the tears on his face. Then, let us play together with him. The kindergarten is very fun.
Kiki, let's play trains together. Let's set up the little train. The little train is departing. Oh,
Great, I've earned the cheerful badge. You can play with other children in kindergarten. It's so much fun. Kiki's brought something yummy to eat. Let's eat together with Mew Mew and Lambao. Great job! Wow, Mew Mew's also brought something yummy to drink. Great! Share the food with the other little buddies. You must share your food with your buddies. Great! I've earned the sharing badge. You must share your yummy food with your friends.
Kiki's friends are here to celebrate his birthday for him.
Is anyone home?
Kiki, open the door and invite your friends in.
Hello. Hello, Kiki.
Hello, Kiki.
When you meet your guest, say hello.
Say it loud with me. Hello.
Happy birthday, Kiki.
Thank you, Momo.
You're welcome.
A gift for you.
Thank you, Naughty.
No problem.
When you receive a gift, say thank you.
Say it loud with me. Thank you.
Open up the present. Let us sing a birthday song for Kiki.
That's all right.
If you knock the cake over by accident, you must apologize.
Say it loud with me. Sorry. Let us have some cake. Wow. Goodbye. Goodbye, Kiki. Goodbye, Kiki.
When your friends leave, say goodbye.
Say it loud with me. Goodbye.
Great! I've earned the manners badge! Polite children are just wonderful. I've earned all 3 badges, and I am a sensible, good child. Miss Maymay is at the school entrance waiting for everyone to come to school. Hello, Mew Mew.
Hello, Miss Maymay.
Hello, Momo.
Hello, Miss Maymay.
When you meet your teacher, say hello.
Say it loud with me. Hello.
Give it to me. Let me play with it. Sorry, Mew Mew.
That's all right.
When you break your friend's toy, say sorry.
Say it loud with me. Sorry.
Let us help Mew Mew fix her toy.
Mama, let's play together.
Thank you.
Not at all.
When your friend shares a toy with you, say thank you.
Say it loud with me. Thank you.
Classes are over. Tidy up the classroom.
Goodbye, Mew Mew.
Goodbye, Miss Maymay.
Goodbye, Momo.
Goodbye, Miss Maymay.
When you leave school, say goodbye to your teacher.
Say it loud with me. Goodbye. Yippee! I've earned the manners badge. Polite children are just wonderful. I want to have a drink, but Daddy won't let me have one.
Momo is upset. Let us help her. Then let us play together with her.
Momo, don't be sad. Let's make some healthy carrot juice together. Momo, let's pull some carrots. Children, juice is good for you. Momo's brought her own toys. Lanbao wants to play too. What should we do? Mr. Duo wants to play too. What should we do? Lanbao wants to play too. What should we do? I've earned the sharing badge! If you have fun toys, you can play with your friends. I've earned all 3 badges, and I am a sensible, good child.